Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download, install, and use Proton VPN. For your knowledge, Proton VPN is one of the fastest and most reliable VPNs available, and it also offers a free tier. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type Proton VPN account free tier. And click on the first official link that appears. Once the website opens, go to the upper right corner and click on Get Proton VPN. You will need to create an account. Enter your email address and click Start using Proton VPN. Next, set your password. Proton VPN may auto-generate a strong password for you, or you can create your own. Make sure you remember this password for future login. After entering and confirming your password, click Set New Password. Now you will see the option to download Proton VPN. Click on Download for Windows, and the download will begin. Once the file is downloaded, open it. Choose your preferred language and click OK. A setup window will appear. Click Next. If you see any optional installation items, you can uncheck unnecessary options. Then click Install and wait for the installation to complete. After installation, Proton VPN will open automatically. Now log in using the email and password you created. Click Sign In, and then click Get Started. You will see your current location on the screen. For example, if you are in India, it will show India. Click Connect, and Proton VPN will automatically connect you to the fastest available server. You can also manually select a different server if you prefer. To check if the VPN is working properly, open your browser and type CapCut and press Enter. Click on the first link. If the VPN has changed your location, the website may appear in a different language based on the country you are connected to. This clearly shows that your VPN is working successfully. That's it. You have successfully downloaded, installed, and used Proton VPN. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.